Hello everyone, welcome to Najla's Kitchen. Today we are learning how to make vanilla cupcakes with a Swiss meringue buttercream. The cupcakes are delicious and the meringue complements the cake perfectly. I think these are great for any celebration, especially for weddings and more. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's begin. Our vanilla cupcakes ingredients are 2 cups flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half cup butter room temperature, half cup sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Line the cupcake pan with papers. Sift flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix well. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Scrape sides and bottom. Scrape sides and bottom again. Now we have creamy and fluffy mixture. We are going to add the eggs one at a time and mix. Now we are going to alternate dry ingredients with milk. Scrape sides and bottom. Now our batter ready. Oops, I forgot to add vanilla. Pour the mixture evenly among pans. Put it in the preheated oven for 18 minutes. Take the pan out of the oven and let it cool completely. Now we are going to decorate the cupcakes. We have here 5 different colors with different tips. I will put the tips numbers in the description below. I'm using Swiss meringue frosting. To learn how to make it, click on the link. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question about the video or suggestion for future videos, please leave me comments below and don't forget to subscribe and like.